My bad, y'all. Y'all see that? Yeah, we in Louisiana. Louisiana, y'all. We in Louisiana. You see? Got my baby girl right over there. And you see the water, bro. You know what I'm saying? We in the swamp. But this is on our college campus, y'all. So you see, this is professional. You see, this is, yeah. So, yeah, bro. We lit every day. So, yeah, we lit every day out here. So, yeah. We out here, man. Well, make sure y'all subscribe to Quincy Vlogs. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna get back to y'all. Lake. You feel me? We over here by a lake, bro. Yeah. Y'all know what I'm saying? We out here by the lake, bro. This is a large body of water. Oh my god. Right. Ooh, okay. Yes, sir. Y'all like my nature videos, y'all?
Yeah, no.
We out here by the lake. Oh. Yo, I like this stuff like this. I be out here all the time doing stuff like this. To go to trash can. You feel me? Yes, sir. I'm waiting for her, but she walking too slow. They look like a cornfield right there. They go to tree. You feel me? Is you okay? God damn. Look at my slides, y'all. So yeah, this like a little circle. Y'all see the little street going skirt? Yeah. But alright, y'all. Bye bye.
No, I'm saying not me. I'm saying if